Today we'll check the configuration and complete the configuration for enterprise structure. Uh, we did configuration for company code C45. Now there are more settings to do, and let's see what those settings are. C45. Okay, champion group. Champion group is made here. Okay, next step is assignment. But before assignment, we'll have to check. We'll have to check plant. Find plant. Plant is already made. I just want to see whether it's C45. Champion is made. Okay. Okay. From assignment now, what we'll do, we go to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, because this is necessary for integration. Preparations, edit chart of accounts list. Okay. New entries, C45. Chart of accounts, English, GL account length. Okay, 5. Save. C45. Champion group. Okay, this is done. Assign company code to chart of accounts. C45. C45. Save. This is saved. Okay. Next is financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, fields, field status variants. Okay, field status variants. C45. 45 is made. Okay. Assign company code. C45. C45 has C45. Okay, fair enough. Uh, we go back to enterprise structure. Define controlling. This is a necessary part. Maintain controlling area. Maintain. New entries. Controlling area is equal to company code. Okay, it copies chart of accounts. It copies the fiscal year variant. Financial statement version is INT. Company code same as company code. Okay, name champion group. Save. Save. Okay. Next step is /n OKKP. C45. Activate components. New entries. 2023. Component cost center is active. This is needed in material management. Sales order cost objects. Order management is active. Okay. Save. Save. Continue. Basic data. C45. Okay. Cost center standard hierarchy C45. It will ask it is not made. Should be made. Okay. Yes, it should be made. Assignment. Yes. Okay. New entries. C45. Company code, multiple company codes can be added over here if chart of accounts and fiscal variant are the same. Save. Okay, once this is done, because this is a necessary requirement to have complete enterprise structure configured. Next step is SPRO and some ledger level settings, which are very necessary. Okay, and what are those? Financial accounting, global settings, parallel valuation, currency and valuation profile. This is used for valuation of materials. Okay, new entries, C45, 45, details. Company code currency will be used. There are three kinds of basic valuation: legal, that is for shareholders; group valuation on a group level; and profit center valuation for the management, for the costing summit. See. Okay, assign currency to controlling area, currency and valuation profile. C45, C45. We can use another currency as well. Save. Okay. Maintain description. Okay, descriptions are already maintained. Company code currency, double click. This company code currency will use the currency that is used at the level of company code and transactions in company code. Okay. Create versions for valuation. Actual is usually used, plan used for planning, the values for costing. Controlling area settings, plan actual version, Settings for each fiscal year. Okay. Integrated planning. Okay. Yes. Save. LP01. Okay. Extended job selection. Execute. Finished. Okay. No spool. SPRO. Just a second. Okay. Next is some more settings in the same currency and valuation profile. Global settings, ledgers, ledger, yes, ledger, define settings. Okay, 0L is the base ledger across the SAP landscape. I'll go for company code settings after selecting leading ledger. Other ledgers are non-leading and that can be standard or extension ledgers. 45, C45, accounting champion group. Accounting principle is gap 10, parallel accounting, save, enter. Okay, ledger. In SAP, there can be multiple ledgers made under the non-leading domain. That is standard and extension. Extension takes values from another ledger, like 0L or any other standard ledger. The standard ledger can maintain itself independently for accounting standards or for um, country jurisdictions or for other currency. It can be used for other currency as well. That is the purpose of ledgers. But why are we using this in material? Because material management requires integration with financial accounting. Okay, back to parallel accounting. Uh, Integration. Okay, document types, mapping, define ledger for CO version. Okay, new entries, C45 version 0, C45 version 0 and 0L 45 version 1 0L. Save. Data was saved. Okay. Next, we have a step that is for material ledger. That I believe is in parallel accounting. Okay. Activate revaluations, convaluations, parallel valuation approaches. Okay. Multiple valuation approaches, transfer prices. Activation. Wait. Accounting principle, financial for cost and goods, depreciation transfer to controlling, val values, revaluations, cost component structure for company code, allocations, okay. Alternative account for measure material ledger postings, okay. What's that? Yields. Ledger, okay, right. Schedule posting periods. Multiple valuation approaches, basic settings, currency and valuation. We've already done this. Material ledger. Yes, I was looking for this. Material ledger settings, assign currency types and material ledger types. New entries, C45, material ledger C45. Find individual characteristics, company code currency, save. Assign material ledger to valuation area. What is valuation area? It is your plant. Okay. The plant is your valuation area. New area, new entries. C45, material ledger type is C45. Enter. Save. Save. Activate valuation areas for material ledger. Activate. C45. Material ledger active. Price determination 2, which is item level valuation. What is price determination binding and valuation area? F1. Let's see that. Determines whether the default value for price is binding for all materials when these materials are created. Price determination is evaluated at valuation level. Is it if material ledger is active? Okay, so price valuation at the valuation area is binding for all materials or not. This is determined by this check. Default value. Default value can be 0, default value can be 10, but it is default value will be available for every material that is made in this valuation area. Okay. Data saved. I believe this is all for today because many nodes of configuration have been done. Follow this